At UNLV, we offer lecture capture and video hosting through Panopto. Panopto is a video content management tool that allows you to record, upload, post, and manage all of your originally created video content. Panopto integrates with WebCampus. In your course, you'll see the Panopto Recordings navigation link. Videos uploaded for the course will appear here. Click play to start the video. You may also change the settings of the video, like quality and speed. Potential features include discussion, notes, and bookmarks. These are time-stamped and good to use for future reference. Do you have to submit your own video for your instructor to review? Find out how in the next video.